Welcome back to the channel. After my first few outings on my new favorite, feast your eyeballs on this beauty, the 2025 Yamaha R3. It's sleek, it's spicy, and it's ready to make you feel like Valentino Rossi if he were on a budget and just got his license last week. And by the way, did you notice that little girl in the truck admiring the R3? But first and foremost, let's talk paint. This thing looks like it just rolled out of a high-end concept sketch and into your dreams. It's got the kind of finish that makes you go, wait, is this really an entry-level bike, or did someone dip it in liquid confidence? The sparkles hit differently in sunlight, like it knows it's better looking than you and is polite enough not to say it out loud. Why Yamaha would put this amazing paint job only on the R3 is a mystery, but we will take it. And can we talk about the weight? This thing's so light, it practically teleports through traffic. You could even push it around the garage in your socks. It handles like a caffeinated house cat, quick, agile, and maybe just a little too fun for its own good. If you're new to riding like me, congrats. You found the bike that won't roast you for your rookie mistakes. Miss a gear? It shrugs. Brake too late? It forgives. Drop it in the parking lot? Okay, maybe it cries a little, but it won't cost you your entire savings to fix. It's like the chill riding coach we all wish we had, minus the judgmental side-eye. Whether you're commuting to work, carving twisties on the weekend, or just trying out to impress people who definitely aren't watching, the R3 shows up like, hop on, let's make some moderately responsible decisions. So, if you want a bike that looks amazing, handles like a dream, and won't yeet you into a hedge for twisting the throttle too hard, the 2025 Yamaha R3 is your new best friend. Now hit that like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, is this the bike that finally gets your mom to stop calling motorcycles death machines? Probably not. But hey, at least you'll look cool trying. Catch you next time. Ride safe, ride curvy, and don't forget, sparkles make you faster. Probably. Bye.